Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error code D-0020, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Minecraft easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you don't have any skins equipped on your character. So just remove any equipped skins on your character. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to right here view network connections. And then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. You're going to right click on your network connection, go into properties. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 6 here. So just scroll down and untick IPv6. After that, click OK here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into this link from cloudflarewarp.com. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your operating system. So Windows for me. And you're going to download this Cloudflare Warp on your computer. Once you're done downloading and installing it, you're going to open it up. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp, click onto this settings icon, click 1.1.1.1 with Warp and then connect it. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and try to play Minecraft and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.